Hello everyone, welcome to Healthcare Medical Equipments. This is my new video which is about 5-in-1 combination machine, which is right here. This is IFT TENS MS US and deep heat machine. There's a 5 functions, which is IFT TENS MS and ultrasonic plus deep heat therapy. So I'm going to tell you about the features of this machine and I will show you how to use this machine. So firstly, let me give you a short description. So this is the main socket of the machine. There's a 2 buttons, one for IFT TENS MS and one for digital ultrasonic. Deep heat is direct. So this is IFT TENS MS section. This is digital ultrasonic section. There's a 125 programs inbuilt in this machine, which is 70 programs for IFT, 30 programs for TENS and 25 programs for MS. And the ultrasonic is 1 megahertz, and there's a 2 mode, which is continuous and pulse. There's also Russian current available in this machine. These are the sockets of this machine. Accessories. So let me tell you about the accessories. So we get 2 deep heat pads with the machine, 1 US handle, 1 pen electrode, 1 velcro, 4 electrodes, 1 warranty card, 4 wire, 1 main cord, 1 gel bottle and 1 bag. There's a 1-year replacement warranty available on this machine. So now let me start this machine. You can see IFT is started. The first program is manual. So on the first stage you can set this IFT section manually. You can set timing and hertz as per your requirement. And this is first ultrasonic. Let me show you first IFT TENS MS section. So let me show you programs. You can see programs. You can see 125 programs is available in this machine. And you can select the mode selector from here, whichever mode you want to use. This is Russian, TENS, MS, IFT. And this is start and stop button. The timing and the program will increase and decrease from these buttons. And mode selector is this. And if you want that you want to jump direct on IFT to TENS or MS, so let me show you again. Press mode selector button, you go an IFT and then change the mode and function that you want. This is 4-pole. This is how IFT TENS MS section work. Now let me tell you about digital ultrasonic. You can see there's a 5 LED, 0.0 ratio to 0, 1 ratio to 1, 1 ratio to 4, 1 ratio 7, 2 ratio 0. There's a 2 mode, which is continuous and pulse. Timer up and down. Mode selector button. This is intensity. And this is deep heat. Deep heat is direct, as I told you. You can see. So now let me attach the wires and the pads. So let me show you how it's work. So firstly, let me show you. digital ultrasonic. So time is on 9, mode is on continuous, intensity I can increase. Firstly let me attach the handle. So I have attached the handle. Now let me increase the intensity. Firstly let me show you. You can see. Now let me increase the. This is how it's work. Very easy to use. Let me show you again. You can see it's working. You can choose mode, then it's an intensity. Now let me show you IFT TENS MS section. Okay. So let me attach the wire first. So I have attached all the wires and pads. Now let me select the mode. It's an IFT. I can increase the program from here. It's on 10 and now timing. It's on 13 and now start and stop. So it has been started and now let me show you. So this is how it's work. You can select program timing as per your requirement. It is very easy to use. You just have to select all the programs and machine will work perfectly. Now let me show you deep heat. So as I told you, deep heat is direct. So let me attach the wires. Now I have attached the deep heat pads and now let me start this. So as I told you, this is direct, so you can increase it as per your requirement and it will heat in 2 to 5 minutes. It will take only 2 to 5 minutes to heat up. It started heating up. You can see light is off. Now I can increase it. So this is how it's work, guys. It is very easy to use and very effective. So thank you for watching the video. For further inquiries, please contact us on 9905-85651 or 8375025564. We are a manufacturer of all the electrotherapy equipments. We can provide you all the equipments at best reasonable price and with best quality and results. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching the video.